started down there, bro. Now they're cleaning these trees over here. You will see the homeless, you will see everything. I'm not cutting like spots, man. You see homeless people still sleeping here, you see that? You got 7-Eleven here. You got a nice building. So this is Hollywood Boulevard. This is Hollywood Boulevard. You can see right there. Hollywood Boulevard right there. Let's go. My boy is scared because there are a lot of sketchy people out here, you know. So I'm gonna go through Hollywood Boulevard. You guys will see through the Walk of Fame all the way to the end of the Walk of Fame, and that's gonna be it. I'm on my bike. It's sunny though. It's sunny and beautiful though. It's not that hot unless you stay like under the sun, but and I'm gonna try to be safe because people here don't care. I hope the camera captures well though. I mean, it's on wide view, so it should be good. So this is Hollywood Boulevard. I'll be going through this. Last week there was like a carjacking in here. Someone came into this. There's a dealer here. They stole a car from a dealer. I mean, the cops got him though. It's like some homeless dude. He took off with a car from the dealer over here. This is the Walk of Fame. The Walk of Fame starts from here. This is the Walk of Fame. You see that? This is the start of the Walk of Fame, and you get like what is this movie theater over there. So I'm gonna go through this. I mean, I have another video. I have other videos where I was walking like on the Walk of Fame. So so right now I'm gonna just ride through this Hollywood Boulevard all the way to like the end of the Walk of Fame. Yeah. You guys just enjoy. I hope it's gonna be a good video. Let's go. Hollywood Boulevard, and the Tupac star is over there, bro. Tupac star is over there. Look at the car. Look at this guy's car, man. Look at this guy's car. They doing Uber Eats. They don't care, bro. They doing Uber Eats. They drive like recklessly, man. These Uber drivers, they don't give a damn. This is the Hollywood Boulevard right there. The Hollywood and Argyle Street. And you get the W Hotel over here. They have a metro station here. I'm gonna take it easy, you know. I'm not gonna like try to overtake, so that you can see. This is an old building over here, though. That's pretty nice. It's actually clean. They don't allow like homeless people to sleep here on the sidewalks anymore. This is the other side. So I started there. I mean, the Walk of Fame goes all the way to West Hollywood. So this is they get Taco Bell over there. They have a souvenir stores everywhere. This dude is running a red light. Yeah, pretty much it. This is Hollywood, the iconic Hollywood Walk of Fame. And they have like they have the Chinese theater here. They have Jimmy Kimmel, like where this guy like has this show. And yeah, it's actually nice and clean. It's not that packed because it's not a weekend, but it's a very like touristy area though. But I actually like it. I never had a problem here. People avoid this area, especially locals. They don't come here. We got Madame Tussauds souvenir store. This is a wax museum. They have wax figures of celebrities over here. I don't know how much is the ticket, but let's get to the phone. Let's get to the phone. So I'm gonna keep going straight. And then at the end you can see like once I get to West Hollywood or whatever, that there's a street over there. That's the end of the So yeah, this is the TMZ bus. That's the Disney store or whatever. And yeah, TMZ celebrity tour. I'm gonna keep going straight till this Walk of Fame is done. Is over. The Trump star is over there, somewhere over here. You can check out my video. I made a video where I walked here and we're looking for like the Trump star is over there. This place is pretty nice. It's pretty active. This is the Hard Rock Coffee. And you can be on these buses right here. They tour in LA. You can pay for these guys. They can take you on a tour. Oh, this is the Jimmy Kimmel Live thing. Yeah, this is where he does his show. Jimmy Kimmel show. Let me show you the Hard Rock. That's the Hard Rock Coffee over there. It's like a very popular coffee spot there. I think it's at first I thought it's like an American brand. It's actually a British like company. This is the Walk of. Oh, this is the Dolby Theater, bro. That's the Dolby Theater. This is where they host like the Oscars and stuff, like movie premieres and stuff. And yeah, so this is Hollywood. Let's keep going. I'm gonna go all the way to In-N-Out. I'm gonna go to In-N-Out. Let's get to In-N-Out. Chinese theater. Oh, that's what I'm saying. That's the Chinese theater right here. So this is the Chinese. My boy is singing over here. Look at the Chinese theater. That's good. This is Madame Tussauds. Inside right here they have like wax figures of celebrities. I was here last. They have Kobe Bryant in front. That's free. And then if you want to get inside there, it's like they charge more. It's like $35 to see all these celebrities, like wax figure of celebrity. And this is the Roosevelt Hotel. A very famous hotel actually, Roosevelt Hotel. Yep, I'm gonna go all the way to the end over there. I think La Brea, that's the end of the Walk of Fame. It's actually clean, and like they have security now on bikes. They have security, and they have cameras too. They have live cameras. Yeah. We're approaching the end though. This is the end of the Walk of Fame. This is the end of the Walk of Fame. So yeah, now it's pretty much, this is West Hollywood. This is La Brea. If you keep going that way, it's gonna be I think you're gonna get to Beverly Hills. Yeah, but yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty clean and nice actually. It's a cool place to hang out. Just don't stay here late, huh? You don't want to be here late, man. I'm gonna go to In-N-Out. And this is Sunset Boulevard, pretty popular too. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna go. So, you see how this guy got close to me? You see how he got close? He did that on purpose. Let's wait for this is Sunset Boulevard. On the left side they have In-N-Out. Let me get to the side now. I mean, there is an arrow. I can wait for the arrow. Yeah. No, don't. Yeah, let's wait for the arrow. This is Sunset Boulevard right there. I don't know if you can see it from here. And then the thing is, some people actually don't respect, like they don't respect bikers at all, like, because they never owned a bike. Because they know also they know if they hit you, it's you who's gonna end up like being like probably like injured or like worse. So if they hit you with their car, you're pretty much done. Anyway, this is La Brea and Sunset. They have Burger King over here. Burger King. They have like, I think, a Mexican restaurant. They have In-N-Out here. On the left side, you will see now. I'm waiting for the arrow to turn green. It's gonna be like a 20-minute video. That's fine. I make these videos for myself, to be honest. Let's wait for this guy. Make this video In-N-Out. We made it to In-N-Out. This is the drive-thru though. This is the drive-thru of In-N-Out. And it's a sunny, beautiful. They have a restaurant on the other side, but I bet you no one goes there. It's actually pretty good. This is the In-N-Out sign. I've been here like at least like 5 times this month. I'm gonna show you how busy it is though. And that's it. That's gonna be the video though. They have a high school here too. This is a Hollywood high school. Let me show you how busy it is. That's their sign over there. I'm gonna just show you how busy it is, and that's it. Here we go. It's always busy.
Yes, number 32, please.
Thank you. That's it, I'm out.